Advanced Lectures. It is now Monday. Hope you are ready for the week. This is a perfect video for Monday. You're going to be seeing this in the morning, so you can use this before New York section starts. We're going to speak about decision fatigue, what it is, and how to combat it. It's going to be a really simple video that hopefully you guys take action on, and some of you may be able to relate. So we're going to speak about what is decision fatigue, because a lot of you guys may not know what it is. So we're going to read out the definition, and then we're going to go over some ways to combat it, and we're going to wrap it up. So decision fatigue is defined as mental exhaustion resulting from a large number of decisions we make daily, leading to difficulty making decisions, or at least making good decisions. So especially with trading, it can also be just in general life with productivity issues, but we'll speak on trading first. Having too many things to think about leads to overthinking and an exhaustion, just as the definition says. So the way we combat decision fatigue in specifically trading without reading any of these prompts is having a model and testing that model, because through testing a specific model, it filters out all of the decisions that we have to make and leaves us with a few specific decisions to make that meet a criteria. Now in day-to-day life, obviously, as you know, that I'm away from my desk all week, so these videos are being pre-recorded. I've got 8 videos on the Sunday that I have to make. Just started recording now, and sometimes before, when I used to do YouTube a lot, I used to sit in a cycle of, oh, should I make a video? What should I do it on? And I could do it on this, could do it on this, could do. The most important thing is to just take action, and you don't want to give yourselves too many options. You just want to take action. Now, when I say you don't want to give yourself too many options, what I mean is through past data and analytics and pre-planned systems, you don't need as many options that are offered because you have a systematic criteria that needs to be met. Just like with recording videos, I know exactly what my title's going to be. I just have to pick a topic. So that's my system of making videos. I know that this is going to be in the title. I just have to pick a topic, and that's my whole video title marked out. I couldn't just make a video called Decision Fatigue. So that's one subliminal way that I systemize productivity for making videos. Obviously, making videos isn't my whole life, but this is just for one example that is pretty hard to do. I mean, unless you've got experience public speaking or recording content before, it is quite challenging. So you do tend to find that you get it a lot more when beginning, but as you develop these systems to make it easy for yourself, you do find flow state is easier to reach. We're going to draw our eyes to how to reduce decision fatigue now. Number 1, plan ahead. Make decisions in advance so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. What could we do for that one for trading? We could check the economic calendar for the week, plan what days we're going to trade, write it out in our calendar. Trading Monday, trading Tuesday, tape reading Wednesday, you get the gist. So we can use the economic calendar to plan our week. Number 2, create routines, start figuring out what to do each day, automate as much as possible. Now, you can make a habit planner via several templates. You can use AI to help plan a daily system. I like to see them every day as a system now, instead of just taking it at face value. Every day is systematic, and that allows me to stay focused all day. Number 3, you have to trust yourself. Your gut tells you everything you need to know. So combining create routines and trusting yourself, you will find a strategy and a model. Now, create a model, create a strategy, and get data on it allows you to then trust yourself. So it really does go hand in hand, and just taking these tiny steps allows you to continue further without as many distractions. Number 4 is set deadlines for the really big decisions. Give yourself a set amount of time to decide. Now, with trading, this doesn't apply too much, but in day-to-day life, like creating content or going to play a physical activity or anything really, you want to create a deadline. We already covered this in a previous video about how Parkinson's law can change the way you see life. So go and watch that video if you haven't already. But yeah, it really is not really talked about as much, decision fatigue. However, I believe a lot of people will be struggling with it, not even knowing what it is. So hopefully this video is a wake-up call. Don't let this video be another video that makes you feel productive. Go and take action, and God bless.